How to change time frame. Are you guys facing issues to change the time frame on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change time frame on PrimeXBT, first of all, open PrimeXBT on your mobile device. Once you open the PrimeXBT application, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Now, to change the time frame, just simply look at the top left corner of the screen where you can see this 15 am. Tap on it. Once you click on it, you will be provided with multiple time frames over here. For example, if you switch to 1 hour, you will get a candle. A candle will take 1 hour time frame to form a single candle. And if you switch to 15-minute time frame, it takes 15 minutes to form a single candle. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna change time frame on PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.